Are you a beginner that is struggling with pastel, which is or how to mix pastel and get the skin tone? If you are the type, you are welcome to the Dasunnex Art and Tutorial. Here I explain and teach how to draw with pastel. So if it's the first time coming across this page or channel, don't scroll. Watch till the end. Whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced artist, with these little tips can help you improve on your drawing. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So let's go. Starting a portrait like this really give me more knowledge and ideas how I want to work on this portrait. After having the sketch of this baby, I use pastel. Yeah, generally the pastel I use is master pastel. They didn't promote me to advertise for them, but when I use it, I give it more of what I do. Let's see a yellow ochre trying to get a highlight on the hair. As you can see, it's so real. So that's the pastel. You can check it up. They didn't sponsor me to advertise, but I love it and I wish you can try it. As you can see, so after working on the face and getting the hair, I moved on to the clothes. Then on the clothes I use the white pastel. Yeah, trying to get the clothes and to get it. If you can look at the reference picture here, so you can understand. So after blending on the clothes, applying it, I use my hand, my finger to smooth it and to blend it as I see this here. So to give me more texture and the smoothness of the drawing, as you can see. After I work on the background, yeah, why I choose to work on this background is this is a baby. So being a baby, I decide to use sharp colors, like gray, orange, pink, the background to make it colorful because of the baby. You understand? So comment, tell me what you think about it. Help me share. I invite anybody that is struggling with pastel. I normally draw pastel tutorial here so that they can, you know, with how I'm applying it, you can, as well use it and get what you want. So we are coming at the end of this portrait and today class. Follow and stay tuned for more. Love you. See you in my next video. Thank you.